Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, my folks, is a great day because today we are going to finish our project. And to be honest, it's right behind you, ready, waiting. But before I show it to you, let's go back to the beginning. It all started in a nasty garage. The car sat there untouched for 15 years. It was full of my scrap, trash and car parts. It had locked wheels and incomplete engine bay. I've managed to start it and realized that there is a lot of work to do. I've replaced the whole suspension and all the parts of the brake system. After fixing all the issues, it was time to clean the interior. The rest will happen now. And today I did that. This is the rear bumper and plastic covers for the fenders. I used lacquer for plastic and it came out really nice in my opinion. I cut out these parts in all of them because I don't want the tires to rub. These are ready. I think that I will put one more layer on the bumper and that is it. Okay, let's wash the car. Holy shit. I didn't know that this is that hard, or I don't know how to do it properly. It took me a while, but I did it. Okay, there is only a million windows left. Man, that was time consuming. The least favorite thing that I did to this car, seriously. Okay, so I've got good news and I've got bad news. Good news is that it is ready to be polished. The bad news is it's going to rain. So I hope that I won't have to redo this tape again. It looks way better when it's cleaned. Even if it's the same beat up crappy car, but it looks way better. There was a lot of tar on it, so I used nitro again. Normally you don't use this kind of stuff on the paint, but this is not a normal situation, so we can do that. Now it's completely tar free. Okay, I'm gonna sit and cry now and see you later. It was raining for 2 days straight, so I made a tent for our fella, and that is only because I'm lazy and I didn't want to do the tape thing around the glass. So hopefully it's still on there. Yep, it looks like it. But during that time I found out that I can get rid of that black stuff which is around the car. I already did the fenders Now I will do the bottom, and then this piece is here. I think that it will look a lot better without that stuff. It looks nasty. And of course, again, shit, I used nitro. Now I have to get another bottle. Look how nice it looks now. Here we have a little something. So this will stay here. But look at that. Way nicer. Love it. Man, that stuff is really strong. This is how the car looks now. It doesn't have that black stuff on it anymore. I took it off. I was ready to polish it. Of course that this happened when I took off that tent. Guys, I wasn't expecting much. Look at that. It's shiny. Holy crap. I'll take that. It looks way better than before. And now I can see that this is the original paint, but this half of the car was painted probably 1,000 times somewhere in a barn. It's not glossy, so it looks like a completely different here as well, completely different paint. I'm super happy, seriously. That means that we are almost there. That was the last part before putting all the parts back on the car, so let's do it. There we go. Finished. Well, not completely, because this is only the end of stage 1. And from that day, from today, I'm going to collect some parts to make this car rust-free and safe again. And guys, when I was starting this project, I thought that I'm going to bring this car home, start it, put some air in the tires, and this will be my daily immediately. Yes, I know, I'm an idiot. I don't know what I was thinking, but messing around with this car gave me a lot of fun, and I've learned a lot of new stuff. So now I'm hungry for more, like a drug addict. This is only the beginning. I have a lot of crazy ideas. So thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next week. Bye.